Mojuba Olodumare Ashe. Mojuba Olodumare Ashe. Mojuba Olodumare Ashe. Iba Ashedao, Iba Ashedao, Iba Ashedao Ashe. Iba Akodao, Iba Akodao, Iba Akodao Ashe. Iba Won Iyami Amosharunga Ina Yofenju Aye. Tia Sukoko Insha Awon Ashe, Ashe, Ashe. What I'm saying is that I give praises to the Almighty, divine King and Queen of Heaven. I give praises to the ancestors. I give praises to the four corners of the earth. I give praises to the mothers who have gone on into spirit and who protect us from the other side. I give praises to the drums, to the earth, to the body, to the head, the Ori, to the sacred Orisha. Now that we have opened up to Elegua, and I feel now that the energy is correct, Elegua, who again stands at the crossroads. Whenever you come to a point in your life where you are standing there in indecision and you don't know whether to go forward or back or to the left or to the right, it's Elegua who pushes you the right way. He opens the doors. It is also Elegua who sits in the taverns and the bars and causes discord and confusion. It is Elegua who walked down the road with one side of his hat black and the other side of his hat red, and the two farmers in the morning were in their fields and said, "Hey, did you see that little guy walking down the road this morning with that red hat on?" He said, "No, he had a black hat on." "No, he had a red hat on." And then in the evening, Elegua came back down the road the other way. So they were arguing in the evening about what color his hat was. That's what Elegua does. He is the deity in West Africa, and he's known by many names in different parts of Africa, who causes people to do things that they would not normally do. Okay? So when you find yourself doing those things that you wouldn't normally do, it is Elegua who is saying, do you really want to do this? Or do you really want to do that? Okay? He brings out the true you. And he challenges you to do things that you wouldn't normally do, good and bad. See, we don't deal with that concept of all good and all evil. Now, let's not be children and foolish about, things that are in the world. There's a lot of bad in a lot of us, and there's a lot of good in a lot of us, and we have to find a balance. And Elegua is the one who pushes you sometimes to go to that left side, or pushes you sometimes to go to that right side. So we're going to play another rhythm. This is for Ogun. And Ogun, of course, is the deity of war, and iron and steel, and cutting, and car accidents, and surgery, and all of those things that deal with cutting and blood, and steel and iron, and smithy, and blacksmithing, and all of that. That's all Ogun. So Ogun, after Elegua opens the doors, Ogun clears the path. Because it was Ogun with his machete who cleared land so that we could till the earth and grow vegetables and crops. Until Oshun calmed Ogun's fire, Ogun was totally war. His implements were war. It was Oshun who came with her honey and spread the honey in Ogun's mouth and possessed Ogun with her beauty and made Ogun turn some of his war implements into farm implements. See, so when we learn about the Orishas, we have a little more meat that we can turn to our children and teach about these things, other than most of the foolishness that we get from Sesame Street and some of these other streets, okay? So it's Ogun who clears the way for us to do what we want to do in life. And I'm not singing any songs right now because in the order of the Orisha rhythms, this is called the order of Seiko, the order of the sacred rhythms where nothing is said. Okay, this is going straight to the channels and the energy that it's supposed to go to. We're going to sing some songs in a minute, but we have to do this to Ogun. Okay, now we're going to do a dance. So get up out of your seats. And this is to the Ibeji, the twins.
Ah, sure.
And I'll tell you something about the twins. The twins are very sacred in African tradition. But let me also say this. There was a time when the Yoruba killed the second twin because the second baby was considered negative. It shows you the involvement, okay, again, of what we have gone through. There's a lot of things in the world that we had to make right. There's a lot of things that we did wrong. As Dr. Ben used to say, the Africans have the right to be wrong in Africa. Okay? So, the Ibeji are sacred. The twins are sacred. Whenever you see twins, you should give them some money. Okay? That's the order. Yes. Twins are sacred. The twins, Ibeji are the children of Shango and Oshun, and they are very sacred. They bring prosperity, they bring money, they bring love and confidence, all of these things. But in this song and in this dance, we say, small, small, as Baba Shangi used to say, little by little, we become prosperous. Little by little, we become positive. Little by little, sometimes we become negative. But little by little, we get there. So in this dance, we step back and then we step forward. Because we say in the dance, sometimes you have to go back in order to go forward. All right?